That UV5R Mini isn't so mini anymore, is it?
Hey radio Crusader, hear my voice in a world of chatter. We make our choice, uniting us all from far and near. With every broadcast, we spread the cheer.
We are Ham Radio. Welcome back, everybody. It's Freddie Mac, your Ham Radio Crusader, and we're here for another product review. It's only been a few days since we've done a Baofeng, so let's do another Baofeng. This one is a little bit interesting. I've heard a lot about it. Haven't touched one yet, so let's dive right into it. Yes, it's the white Chinese package. Nice native bubble wrap. So let's take a look inside. I've got the new and improved Unboxinator 7000. And we're going to make a clean incision right down the sternum. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, would you? Let's make it a little easier for ourselves. And we'll take the white packaging away and boom! Yes, it's the new Baofeng UV-5R Mini. And if I understand correctly, from what I've been told, there's two in this package as a set. My good friend Doy, KC5MCA, over there in Morris, Oklahoma, aka Shipment Consulting, bought these and said, hey, would you like to review them? And I'm like, I absolutely would. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. Wow. There was a lot of stuff inside this bag, and these two things jumped out at me like a jack-in-the-box or something, and yeah, I was a little taken aback. Two higher gain antennas to go with the two stock antennas that come with these radios. So yeah, woo! You pick one of these up, the battery's attached, it feels like a little hoss now. This thing's got some weight to it. Let's unwrap them, rather, and let's take a look and see what they look like. So, first of all, here's the TDH3. Here's the Baofeng UV-5R Mini. Very close, but still a little bit smaller than the TDH3. Go figure that. So, got a couple of lapel mics, if you will, ear mics with the PTT in line. Got a couple of those, couple of USB A to C's, the two antennas, a couple of wall warts here to charge them with. Let's see what they're rated at. 5 volts at 1 amp. Belt clips, wrist straps, and antennae. So, wow. Let's get one of these put together. See if we can't turn it on. I'm going to put the little stock antennas on first and see what it looks like coming on for the first time.
Channel mode.
Channel mode. Had a little splash screen. We've got color now. 142.925, 432.225. Okay, let me see if I can get the backlight to stay on. You got the VFO memory button right there. You've got A and B bands.
Frequency mode. Channel mode. Frequency mode. 224550.
We were headed that direction, but it didn't let us stay there. So let's go through the menu. The menu button here. Exit button there, so don't let these fool you. What does this button do? Ooh, of course. We got a light, a flashing light, and nothing. What do we do when we push and hold it? Looks like we're searching frequencies. Okay, we'll get back to that. So let's go back to
Channel mode.
Channel mode. We'll get in menu. We got scan, radio set. That'd be radio features, I should say, like your frequency step, your squelch, power stave, Vox levels, Vox delay, timeout timer, the timeout timer alert, the voice prompts that you're hearing the lady speak, what language she speaks, a Roger beep, not a Podger beep, and the keypad beep, backlight, I set it to always on, the powering on image, which we got a splash screen, dual watch, let's turn that on, and it is. So to return, we hit the exit button, down arrow, Auto lock after a certain amount of time. Alarm mode if you want it to just sound off locally and not over the air, or you can set it to sound off over the air. And then the tone that alarm makes, automatic number identification for PTT. There's your DTMF settings, PTT ID, PTT delay. I don't know which alert they're speaking. Oh, that's for certain repeater access. Tail squelch coverage. Side key 1. That's to press side key 1, which really there's only one because it looks like there's 2 PTTs. And then reset. So if we return to that, go to program channel, hit the menu, we get the channel name, the receive transmit frequency, transmit power, bandwidth, receive CTCSS and DCS, same for transmit, encryption, which we do not do in amateur radio in the United States. Anyway, different signaling, channel memory default name, I think it is. Yeah, you can make it choose the name of the channel or the frequency or the channel number. I like the channel labels myself. Speaker mute, scan, add, busy channel lockout, channel memory, channel delete, back to the beginning. Standard stuff for the most part. Wireless CPS, on or off. So I think this is probably Bluetooth programmable. We'll get into that. So let's just see what else we got here. Radio info. Radio 100, firmware version 0.26, hardware version 1.0. I don't think this does GPS, so that's the end of that.
Menu.
To the menu, and we have wireless CPS, on or off. Radio info, we covered this. So scan, radio set, program channel, or wireless CPS. That's what we have in the menu. So I did not see us having any ability to program into the 200 megahertz range. We could dial it in, but then it took it away. But for some reason, it wants to give us
Frequency mode.
350 megahertz, really? It's not letting me transmit on it. So let's type in 14562,
0.
and it is letting me transmit on it. If you look right there next to the squelch key, or squelch monitor, or gee whiz, the squelch words, the little initials right here. I key up, you see the red transmit bar, apparently at full power. Let's go into
Channel mode.
nope.
Frequency mode.
Back into the menu, program channel menu, transmit power. It is at high. We're going to set it to low
Confirm.
and return. So we're going to go 444 100.
0, 0.
Go back into the menu, program the channel, get the receive CTCSS, change it to 100, return. Oh, nope, I'm sorry. We need to do the transmit CTCSS now. And just like that, it's the bottom of the hour, so my ID set off for my All Starlink node, which is what this is programmed for now. Okay, let's try out the DTMF and see if it works. Try to connect up to the Parrot. Couldn't hear the DTMF tones over the radio, but as you see, it did connect to the Parrot on the Supermon page there. So let's try out this audio. K85 FMU testing 1, 2, 3.
Audio level is low. 85 FMU testing 1, 2, 3.
So it's reporting the audio is low, but it actually sounded pretty decent to me. So I'll just speak up or put my mouth a little bit closer to this device. K85 FMU testing 3, 2, 1.
Audio level is just about right. 85 FMU testing 3, 2, 1.
So as you can tell, the audio's not that bad through an All Starlink node. Let's try that once more. Yeah, the DTMS was masked by the radio. but it connected to the parrot node. And then we'll try disconnect. *1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3. And it disconnected. How about that for DTMF reaction? I kind of like that. So as you can see, we have two PTTs on the side, an A and a B. And this is our side key that is programmable. Over here we have our K-type connector, first speaker mic, programming cable, I would assume. And then underneath, we have a release, but on the back of the battery, we have that C-type connection. I've already charged this one up, and the belt clip goes there. And of course, you know the side key right now. Oh, short press is FM broadcast. You hear a little bit there. Let's go.
9, 5, 1.
That's a right of the people. So the wall of separation protects that around and say the government has to be from the people.
You hit the sweet spot, you get in the nearby Christian channel that's displaying on the FM side. So short press turns it right back off. So side key long press, open squelch. Interesting. So let's go back to the menu, radio set, hit the menu, press side key, turns on FM radio. We can make it scan, we can make it search, Vox, lamp, SOS. So let's try the lamp and return. And there it is. I don't know why these dual PTT buttons got to be so popular, but they are. And you know what? This thing is a mini for sure, but it's got some weight to it. But this particular package that my friend purchased also came with these high gain antennas. So you could, you know, they're the Baofeng type grade. High gain antenna. It's got a lot of whip to it. And we've gone through the menu, so let's check out what this Bluetooth programming part's about. We saw that
Channel mode.
in the menu.
Frequency mode. Menu.
Radio program wireless CPS, and it's off. So let's turn it on and exit. And on the screen, right there, you can see this little symbol that shows up that looks like a signal, almost like a Wi-Fi signal. So let's get on Baofeng's website and see what we can find here.